Listen, I ain't gonna hold you long, okay? I promise you, we're here for a fun time, not a long time. But I couldn't wait, because as you can see, I'm showered, ready to relax. Lo and behold, my order here. And I'm excited. I want to show you my new purchase that I got from Coach. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and we friends. And also, YouTube got this new feature. It's called Hype Me Up. Hype me up. Stop playing. Hype me. I'm always do that. I don't know why. I don't do it on purpose. But every time I hear somebody say hype me up, I just want to go hype me up. Hype me up. I mean, too much. Okay, listen. I said for a short time. Okay, is that nighttime? Is this lighting good? I don't know. It's my closet light. Listen. It's time for me to go to bed. It's time for me to go to bed. Okay, I wasn't pulling out the production. I wasn't getting the camera, the lights. Girl, lights. There's one ring light. In my mind, I be swearing I be doing more when it comes to these. I got one camera and one ring light. But anyway, I didn't feel like pulling all that out. Okay. And plus, I was already showered and everything, and I don't be putting on real clothes after I take a shower. I don't put on nothing but moisturizer on my face when I get out the shower. So I couldn't put no clothes on for you. I'm sorry. Couldn't do it. It's time to go to bed. But I wanted to show y'all these shoes. One, because I'm excited and I want to see it. And then also, I want to make sure it matches my bag, because I bought these shoes to match my bag. You gonna know what I'm talking about when I show you. Don't be rushing me. Listen, you ain't got nowhere to go. I already know you ate dinner, or you got dinner in front of you. Okay, you sipping on a glass of wine, or maybe a nice cold Coca-Cola. Okay, be a friend. Okay, be a friend and stay with me. Okay, I took it out the cardboard box, because why am I showing y'all a cardboard box? Y'all want to see a cardboard box, okay? And plus, the real goodness is let's go. I done said we gonna be here for a short time.
You know what? I did say that. My bad.
Okay, and plus I'm on season 2, I think episode 6 of Paradise. I gotta go. I gotta go. I ain't gonna do no spoilers. Don't worry. You can uncover your ears. But that's another reason why I can't stay with y'all for a long time. I gotta go finish, because I think I'm 2 episodes behind. So I'm on season 6, and I think I got episode 8. I'm on episode 6. I think I got episode 7 and 8 before I'm quit. Okay. Anyway. Listen. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna explain. Y'all want me? Okay, I'm gonna show you the shoe first. Okay. Come on, packaging. All right. What's this? Wear it, love it, pass it on. Who am I passing it on to? Okay, no, thank you. It's $2 million. Oh. Yes. Okay, let me put. Oh, this is my bag of the day. My no way, BB. That's my my bag for the last 2 days. No, 3 days. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna put this right. Watch this gonna fall. Don't fall. All right. Look. I'm also filming on my new DJI. What? How you call this? What you call it? I don't know. I said I was gonna get this easy. I'm showing y'all the shoe and talking about the camera, child. I said I was gonna get this DJ. What is it? DJI, right? Because I want to start, especially with the summertime. I want to start vlogging and taking y'all with me. You like, girl, you said that years ago when you got that GoPro. I did, but I felt like that was like, you gotta put it on a tripod. Listen, okay, y'all know I'm not a professional, so when I do stuff, I need it easy. Okay. And everybody keeps saying this is easy. Like it's a little, you put it in your pocket or whatever. Anyway, so I'm trying to film on that because, again, I said real quick, I didn't feel like bringing out the whole camera ring light thing. So I'm going to see how this go. Anyway, so these are shoes. And don't cuss me out. Because when I saw these shoes and I ordered them, well, I ordered them first, then told y'all. I'm not going to lie. But I told you. Don't get mad at me, friend. I told you. After I ordered these shoes, I shared it with y'all. Okay. They are, what's the official name? Y'all, don't talk about my feet size. I know y'all see the size. Don't talk about me. Don't do that. I got some big sailboats, okay? These are called the Brynn, Brynn, Crystal Signature Sandal. Okay. Y'all know I love me a good dad sandal. I got a dad sandal and obviously the Chanel dad sandals. Then I got a dad sandal version in Christian Louis Vuitton. And now I got the Coach one. But let me tell you what it caught my eye. Hold on. And I'm not taking out the other shoe. Y'all know it looked the opposite of this one. Okay, it looked the opposite of this one. Is it the same? Can I wear this together? Let me see. Yeah, girl. Well, kind of not. I don't know. Okay, listen, let me tell you the story why I really wanted these. Besides, I saw the crystals and it was cute. I had wore this bag. I think it's been a week now. Maybe 2 weeks ago. I don't know. Recently. And I wore it with a white Coach tank top. And my flare bottom khaki pants. And I didn't have no flats. Right? No, because I didn't want to wear my Timbs. Because I end up wearing them with some khaki colored heels. And y'all, if I can avoid wearing heels, I am. Okay? But I think those are the only shoes that I had to go with that outfit. That kind of, gave it the oomph I needed to have. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, I can wear that outfit again. But instead of wearing heels, I could wear it with these. Right? I think that's gonna work. I don't know. I gotta try it on. I'm gonna try it on and show y'all. But that's what I got. Well, besides they cute, that's why I got these. So by the time I checked out with taxes and everything, it was $203. So I think they were $190. I'ma link them. Okay, good people. That is it. That is the unboxing. Yeah, I'ma say unboxing because I took about the cardboard box, but I didn't open the actual shoe box until I came to my friends. So I'ma say unboxing of my new Coach dad sandals. Coach don't call them dad sandals. I just made that up. But listen, y'all know they that fit. Okay. Matter of fact, Coach, you welcome. Let me know. I'm gonna go because I'm gonna finish and catch up on episodes of Paradise. But listen, I'll be wanting to talk about some of these shows because I be having thoughts and opinions and stuff. And I don't know if y'all care. Do y'all care? If y'all care, I got that second channel I done abandoned. I did. Well, half of it is my fault, but the other half your fault, friend. The other half your fault. Because I think I said last year when I created that channel so nobody could take my name. Girl, how many people in the world with their name Rakita that's going to take you? I don't know. But when I took the other channel, I was like, go ahead, subscribe to that channel. And that could be like, we could talk about things that's not luxury channel. And y'all, I mean, some of y'all was like, here, I'm coming, friend. The other ones was like, no, we ain't asked you for all that. So I don't know. But then y'all get mad at me when I don't know what y'all... If y'all want to go on the other channel and talk about things like, the series I'm watching, besides that, besides that, I can't.
Boom, and there we go.
Okay, but if y'all want to talk about other stuff, let me know. I have that second channel linked. Okay, it's called In My Mind, because I want to share what's in my mind with my friends. But let me know. I want to talk about Paradise. Oh, what's that other one? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Like, it brought my blood pressure up. Age of Attraction, right? Age of Attraction. Is that what on Netflix? Y'all know. Y'all know them age gap people. I got so. Let me know if y'all want to talk about it. If y'all do, let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna tag the second channel in the description box. Okay, along with these slides, if they still have them, because child, I think these slides was like, I ordered these slides like 2-3 weeks ago. Y'all know how Coach be acting like they don't want to restock nothing. Anyway, okay, I gotta go. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, boo!